here are some tips and tricks for the camera on a CMF Phone 2 Pro. So if you want to zoom in or zoom out on your CMF Phone 2 Pro, then of course you can use this gesture that allows you to quickly switch between different zoom values over here. But besides that, you can also press and hold your finger on this zoom bar, and then you can simply swipe left and right, which can be a little bit more convenient in certain situations. Besides that, the photo mode also has the quality option. We need to simply tap on this arrow over here in the top right corner, and then you should be able to find the quality option, where we can increase the quality to 50 megapixels. Not only that, we also have the burst shot option available, which allows you to capture multiple photos at once. However, it is actually not set up by default, so in order to use the burst shot, we need to once again open this panel with different options, and first we need to open more settings. Over here, scroll down in order to find press and hold shutter, and we need to switch to burst shot, and now we can take up to 20 photos at the same time by simply pressing and holding the shutter button. If you want to take pictures in the raw format, then in that case we need to switch to more, and we need to open expert, which is pretty much the pro mode on this phone. Next, tap on this arrow again, and over here we have raw capture, which is by default it is actually disabled, so we can tap on it in order to enable and take photos in the raw format. And last but not least, if you like to take photos with a blurred background, then definitely you should try the portrait mode in the camera. Whether you are using the front or the selfie or the rear camera, you can still find this option over here, where we can adjust the blur by moving left and right, blur of the background that is. And like I said, it works for both the front and the rear camera. And over here, if you tap on this button, you can see the difference between, perhaps you can notice the difference between the blurred background and unblurred. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!